Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, girls. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Second year, we will continue with the chapter number 20, reproduction, and today is the lecture number 3. After completion of this lecture, you will be able to describe the causes of female and male infertility. You will be able to explain the in vitro fertilization, miscarriage and its causes, relate miscarriage with abortion, and explain the AIDS as STD. Disorders of reproductive system, infertility. It is the failure to achieve pregnancy. It cannot be defined precisely because there are varying degree of infertility in male and in female. Now, the causes of male infertility. The common causes of male infertility are Azoospermia is the state of having no sperms. It may be caused if sperm ducts are blocked due to infection, injury, etc. The blockage may be congenital, means by birth. Then the second type of infertility in males, Oligospermia. The sperms count below 20 million per ml is called Oligospermia. Number 3, Sperm Deformities. The changes in shape of sperms are called Sperm Deformities. Then next, Autoimmune disorder. In some individuals, the infertility is probably due to an immune response by the male to its own sperms. Antibodies are made which attack the sperms and reduce sperm count. Now, infertility in female. The common causes of female infertility are failure to ovulate, blocked fallopian tubes or tubules, uterus damaged, cervical mucus defect, and endometriosis. So, first of all, the failure to ovulate. Sometimes the hypothalamus or pituitary gland fail to produce hormones normally, with the result that in either no follicles develop due to lack of FSH, or egg releases in is affected. Lack of LH. Number 2, blocked oviducts. In some females, the infertility is due to the disease causing blockage of fallopian tube. It may be due to infections. Number 3, uterus damage. Fibroids are being tumors that grow from the wall of the uterus can cause infertility. Then cervical mucus defect. During ovulation, mucus in the cervix becomes thinner so that sperm can swim through it more easily. If there is a problem with the mucus, it can make it harder to conceive. Next is the endometriosis. It is a condition where small pieces of endometrium start growing in other places, such as the ovaries. This can cause infertility because it becomes difficult for an egg to be released and become implanted into the womb or the uterus. The treatment of infertility. A number of treatments for infertility are available. Surgical, hormone treatments, in vitro fertilization, etc. To understand the in vitro fertilization or the test tube baby technique, here we have a very good video. Now, the miscarriage. It is the act of giving birth spontaneously to a fetus too premature to survive, usually before the 28th week of pregnancy. Causes of miscarriage: the embryo may implant near the cervix. As the placenta grows, it may extend partially or completely across the internal cervical opening. Due to the growth of fetus and placenta, uterus stretches. Region of placenta over cervical opening may be torn and hemorrhage may occur. Second, the normally positioned placenta may tear away from uterine wall, accomplished by hemorrhage. Abortion: the term is usually referred to the induced premature termination of a pregnancy. Medically speaking, a miscarriage is a natural abortion or spontaneous abortion. Sexually transmitted diseases: these are contagious, caused by pathogens, viruses, and bacteria. Gonorrhea and syphilis are caused by bacteria. AIDS caused by human immunodeficiency virus. HIV destroys helper T lymphocytes, and therefore people with HIV begin to get serious infections. This is all about the reproductive system in humans, and we will continue inshallah with the development and aging in next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.